नमस्कार दोस्तों, good morning friends. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the pre-market report for our market that is for 2022 August. So let us quickly look at the data. So let us start with the FNO data. लोग एक बार FNO डाटा को देख लेते हैं. FNO डाटा बहुत कुछ बताते हैं. FNO डाटा मार्केट का डायरेक्शन को तय करते हैं. So without looking at the FNO data, and if you are going for trading in our Indian market, it will be foolish. So without wasting much time, let us get into the market participants details. The market participants are retailers, FIA, pros, and DIA. स्टार्ट विद द इंडेक्स फ्यूचर्स. अगर इंडेक्स फ्यूचर में हम लोग देखे तो रिटेलर्स अच्छा खासा लॉन्ग लेके बैठा था, लेकिन कल उन्होंने कुछ सेल कर दिया अराउंड 7,600 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स. लेकिन अभी भी ओवरऑल उसका पोजीशन एक्स्ट्रा बुलिश ही है 1.11 लाख. एंड एफ थोड़ा सा बाई किया. मैं इसको ज़्यादा बुलिश नहीं कहूँगा. 5,100 क्वांटिटी इन्होंने बाई किया, बट ओवरऑल इसका अभी भी नेट सेल में 1.68 लाख. प्रॉस भी थोड़ा बाई किया 3,800 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स. उसका टोटल कम 25,700 के करीब पहुंच गया. और DIA 1,200 क्वांटिटी सेल किया. उसका जो ओवरऑल पोजीशन है वो 31,000 के करीब पहुंच गया. ये डाटा मैं बेयरिश कहूँगा क्योंकि FIA पूरी तरीके से बेयरिश है, शॉर्ट में बैठा है, और 75% ऑफ द लॉन्ग्स held by retailers. This is not good for market. And pros and DAS has taken some longs, but overall I would consider this data is not bullish. Index call. Let's take an index call position. Most of the position expert yesterday, and the positions are very light. So retailers purchased 2,800 longs. Overall their position reached to 36,000, and FA purchased 22,900, almost 23,000, and their position still they're on short. And pros, once again they increased their short around 25,800 contracts. Overall it is reached to 22,300 shorts. So from this data, retailers are bullish and the uh, big players are bearish, but the volumes are very low. Index put retail is once again they've added additional put writing. So this ये तो पागलपन हम कह सकते हैं. And these are the naked positions these retailers are carrying. So their overall put rating reached to 4 lakh. This is not at all good for market. Even if market moves up, there is a potential chance that it can slide down. And both the parties, big players, FIA and pros, they have carried shorts. I mean, index put longs. So the even DIA also carry good quantity of put longs. So I would say this data, you look, it is bullish, but it is from retailers. The market public players are bearish on this data. Let's also take a look at the stock futures. Stock futures ज़्यादा activity नहीं, लेकिन FA and pros they once again they gone short in index futures. The overall data in stock hold also retailers taken bullish position. Both pros and FA are bearish. In the put side also the retailers sold some put longs, and the big players are put longs. So if you look here, index put and stock put and stock call side, retailers are only bullish and big players are bearish. So this way, I would say this data is bearish for today. So that means even if market moves up, there is a or open flat, there is a potential chance it will come down. Let us also look at which are the top Nifty gainers and losers. So the Nifty gainers, you can see Cipla, Dr. Reddy, Bajaj Finserv, ICICI Bank, and this is a percentage of change. I ordered it in the change percentage wise. I've also added the volumes. If you look at the volumes, wherever the volumes are more, the actions are more there. If you wanted to do the FNO in stock options, trade only the stocks where you are seeing more volumes. Okay. And another thing is, I don't know, so okay, some कुछ लोग सोचते हैं अरे सिप्ला 3% ऊपर चढ़ गया, कल खुलते ही शॉर्ट मार लेते. बिल्कुल गलत तरीका है, क्योंकि एक स्टॉक कभी भी ऊपर जाते हैं, वो एक फॉलो अप बुलिशनेस उसमें रहते हैं। तो हमेशा इसको एक रेड कैंडल का इंतजार करना, अबे शॉर्ट करना जरूरी है तो, नहीं तो शॉर्ट मत करो। These are the nifty losers. So here also same thing. अगर ओके किसी ने सोच लिया अरे टाटा कम्युनिकेशंस 2% गिर गया और बजाज ऑटो 2% गिर गया, 1.5% गिर गया, चलो कल बुलिश पोजीशन बनाते हैं। यहाँ भी जब बेरिशनेस कंटिन्यू रहता है थोड़ा देर, एक बार इसमें अगर रिवर्सल कैंडल आते तभी इसमें लॉन्ग के बारे में सोच, नहीं तो शॉर्ट ही रहना ठीक है। यहाँ भी वॉल्यूम देख लेना, उसके बाद आपको डिसाइड कर लेना। चलो हम लोग कुछ मार्केट न्यूज के बारे में देखते हैं। एक फर्स्ट न्यूज है कि सेबी प्रपोज टू मूविंग एफएनओ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स ऑन अ मंथली बेसिस। That means they are no longer interested in continuing the weekly expiry, so they are planning to make everything in a monthly basis. So with this news alone, the angel shares fell more than 7.5 percentage. So exchanges are in view that weekly expiry is not serving the long-term hedging purposes, and that is the reason SEBI is moving. One more news: this came 2 days ago that SEBI is also planning to reduce the intraday limits for index option trading. This is basically to control the volatility and the market manipulation by big players. These are good steps taken by SEBI, to protect the retails. I don't know how far they can protect, क्योंकि मार्केट में तो एडजस्टमेंट और मैनिपुलेशन चलते हैं। बड़े खिलाड़ी इनमें माहिर है, तो पता नहीं सेबी कब तक इनमें कंट्रोल और काबू कर पाएगा। Or US related news today is the famous Jackson Hole speech Fed chairman Powell is going to give, and I'm not expecting any big announcement and all. So the rate cut hopes are very low. So probably Fed may not cut any interest rate because of the rising inflation and the job concerns and all. And the PP inflation also came very high in the last report. If Fed cut some interest rate, that will be good for the entire global market. You could see a global market rally in case Fed cut the interest rate. And let us look at the crude prices. The crude price is sliding down. Yeah, because the Russia and Ukraine, the tensions are going down. So that's the reason. And another thing, and I've added a chart for gold. You can see what is the performance of gold in 20 years, 5 years, 1 year time frame. Okay, so this will also give a good indication to people who are making gold long or short. सो इसमें सोच समझकर शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग करना भाई, ये तो ऑल टाइम हाई पर है गोल्ड। सो एंड इट हैज लिमिटेड अपसाइड एंड अनलिमिटेड डाउन साइड। सो गोइंग लॉन्ग ऑलवेज कीप एसल फॉर योर ट्रेड्स. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and motivate me. So wish you all a good trading day, guys. Bye, take care, thank you.